The Schlage Encode Plus smart lock seamlessly integrates with Apple's HomeKit and HomeKey, offering convenient and secure access to your home. This video guides you through connecting your Schlage Encode Plus to Apple Home for enhanced control and automation. By 2026, the Schlage Encode Plus remains a leading smart lock in the HomeKit-compatible ecosystem. HomeKit is Apple's smart home framework that allows you to control compatible devices through the Home app and with Siri voice commands. HomeKey is a digital key stored securely on your iPhone using NFC or ultra-wideband technology for touch-to-unlock or hands-free entry. The Matter protocol ensures cross-ecosystem compatibility, allowing devices to work seamlessly across different smart home platforms. Home keys are revocable and can be shared temporarily with family or guests via iMessage for convenient access management. Before setting up your Schlage Encode Plus with Apple Home, ensure you have these prerequisites. First, you'll need a Schlage Encode Plus smart lock, a compatible iPhone running iOS 15 or later, the latest Schlage Home app, version 5.2 or higher, your home Wi-Fi network credentials for connectivity, an active Apple ID for HomeKit integration. Make sure your lock's firmware is updated for compatibility. And finally, power your lock with 4A batteries or use the optional bridge. Begin by downloading and opening the Schlage Home app on your smartphone. Next, create a new account or log in if you already have one. The app will guide you through pairing your lock via Bluetooth. This involves scanning the QR code located on your Schlage Encode Plus lock. Finally, enter your Wi-Fi network details to complete the connection. Now for step 2, adding the Schlage Encode Plus to Apple HomeKit. Open the Schlage Home app and select the option to add the lock to Apple Home. This will redirect you to the Apple Home app. Follow the on-screen prompts to add the Encode Plus as an accessory. You might need to scan the HomeKit setup code, usually found on the lock or its packaging. Once completed, the lock will be added to your HomeKit setup. Once the lock is added to HomeKit, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This requires iOS 15 or later for compatibility. Select the option to add a new key. This will allow you to create a digital home key for your lock. Choose your Schlage Encode Plus lock from the available options. Ensure your lock is nearby and connected. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate HomeKey. This usually involves holding your iPhone near the lock using NFC or ultra-wideband for secure proximity setup. The key is stored securely in your iPhone's secure element. Once your Schlage Encode Plus is set up with HomeKey, you can easily share and manage access through the Apple Home app. In the Apple Home app, you can control who has access to your smart lock and manage permissions for all users. The app shows your home settings, including people who can access devices like your lock. You can share digital home keys directly through iMessage, making it easy to give temporary access to family members or guests. When sharing, you can specify time limits, such as for a few hours or days, ensuring access is only temporary. You can revoke access instantly through the Home app if needed, maintaining full control over your lock. Recipients use their compatible iPhone to unlock the door with HomeKey, as shown here. The recipient must have a compatible iPhone with the necessary features to use HomeKey effectively. The entire process is straightforward and handled conveniently within the Apple Home app. If you encounter issues during setup or use, here are some common troubleshooting tips and solutions. First, ensure your iPhone and the Schlage Encode Plus lock are within Wi-Fi or Bluetooth range. Physical proximity is essential for initial pairing and stable connections. Second, check for firmware updates in both the Schlage Home app and the Apple Home app. Regular updates fix bugs and improve compatibility. Third, for HomeKey problems, verify that NFC is enabled in your iPhone settings. Access Control Center settings and ensure NFC tag reader is added for proper functionality. Fourth, for connectivity issues, check that Bluetooth is enabled in your iPhone settings and ensure the lock appears as discoverable. Finally, for intermittent connectivity, make sure your router is properly connected and functioning. Check Wi-Fi settings to confirm the connection. Following these troubleshooting tips should help resolve most common setup and usage issues with your Schlage Encode Plus and HomeKey.